6. And this is a good sign, a very good sign. The follow-through also, all the way right near the shoulder. So there's a lot more confidence in that shot. And it's gone the distance.
Oh, that's sweet. 6 more. That's a glorious shot. Well, he climbed into that.
This one you can see just a little bit outside. That's exactly what he was looking for. Half volley outside the off stump, opening the face of the bat. Another brilliant 6.
That's up in the air, and it's gone a long, long way. Once again, the intent.
It's in the slot. A shot that he plays so often, so well. He's done that again. It's a huge 6.
It should be 4. And it is. Oh, what a shot! Superb! Another 6. Well, that's a fitting reply to whatever happened before. He's running in hard, giving it his all. Slightly over pitch, bang center of that big bat. He's looking in good touch here, Rohit Sharma. Finds the gap, first ball of the over. Sweeps him to the boundary. Finds the gap and the 50 as well. ODI 50 number 58 for Rohit Sharma. What a knock this has been from the Indian captain, under pressure, and he finds a way.
He hasn't got the breakthrough tonight. That's going to be 4. Rohit Sharma in this form is not going to miss out to that delivery.
Steps out again, finds the boundary. 9 from the over.
Pulled away and pulled into the gap. Atkinson's not played too much international cricket, but one thing you find out is you don't bowl there to Rohit Sharma. Short again, and helped all the way over the ropes by Rohit Sharma.
Look at that. 100 kilometers per hour, very slow. And all the time in the world for Rohit Sharma to hit it where he wanted.
But it's Rohit Sharma who's scoring all the runs at the moment. This is 4 more. Once more, dug him short, helped on his merry way.
It's got away fine. It's a quick outfield. There he does. Over the top. Clears the field. Number 32 for Rohit Sharma. And it's been a fabulous innings.
He really is some player. Respected right up to the top tiers, Rohit Sharma.
Oh, nicely played. Now he's going to look to entertain. Pulls out the reverse sweep. And more runs. This should be 4. So 15 off the over. And India racing away. 194 for 2. Yes, opens the face of the blade and finds the boundary.
Hasn't got enough on it at all. Adil Rashid does really well. It was a steepler. He had to backpedal. It's a fine catch. Not the best of deliveries, but they don't count.
Is where he's shown what he's made of. He converts it into a full toss, all right. Quick footwork, but at the bottom of the bat. And this is a fine catch. And England needed something special to get rid of Rohit Sharma. India's captain for 119. India have lost their 3rd wicket.